presenting the Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, black light gray stone cloth low back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, FFV, STD, tires, 225/65 R17 BSW Touring, STD, quick order package 29 SSE included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, FFV, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE black door handles, second row bench with rear stow NGO 6040, STD, Uconnect hands-free group included, remote USB port Bluetooth streaming audio Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth and white